कहते हैं ज्ञानी, दुनिया है फानी, पानी पे लिखी लिखाई।
Is anything in this world not transitory? The bird, the sun, the morning glory, patterns woven through the fabric of time and space. Oh, mighty seamstress, how I love this place. Gladly we come again to do it all once more, building sand castles by the shore, until the sea comes to wash our castles away. My sweet love, maybe we will play again some other day. Does anything in this life ever last? The sea, the wind, a blade of grass, the eternal process of coming and going back into itself. All of life is continually flowing. The self within is the same as the self without. This I say beyond a shadow of a doubt. Between us there is no separation. We are all but only one. The self that dwells in the heart of man dwells also in the center of the sun.
है सबकी देखी, है सबकी जानी, हाथ किसी के ना आई, हाथ किसी के ना आई। कुछ तेरा ना मेरा, कुछ तेरा ना मेरा, मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ।